Okay, I have completed adding all my closures, and now I want to cover the spines. I want to cover up the threads that I use to bind the pages. So I'm using my mat that I got from scrapbook.com when I ordered Lorna Taylor's set of products from Creative Expressions. And I'm going to be using this Easy Tear Duck. It's Easy Tear paper tape. I purchased that at Dollar General for just a couple of dollars, and I've used it on a lot of projects. It's 2 inches wide approximately, and I need 1 inch strips approximately. So I've taped this down to the silicone mat, and I'm going to take my metal ruler, and I'm just going to tear these into 1 inch strips. And you could cut these, you could mark them with a pencil and cut them with scissors if you like, but I happen to have this metal ruler. I did purchase this ruler at Walmart. I don't remember what I paid for it, but it has been an amazing tool to have in my arsenal. So I would suggest that if you are a paper crafter, you get yourself a metal ruler. You will learn to appreciate it. Just finishing this one up and lost that part of the video. So this is what they look like when they're done. Cute. So I'm going to do another one and hopefully be able to show you how I did this one. So I'm just going to take a piece of paper tape that's a little bit longer than the length of the spine, and I'm going to fold it in half, non-sticky side together, and just make a little crease. Now I'm going to line that crease up with the threads that are on the edge of the spine and stick it to those threads. I have found that this is the easiest way to line this tape up on the spine and not get it crooked. Now I'm going to rub that tape down the center of that spine really, really well, and then I'll start working the rest of the tape down a little bit at a time. And I'm pressing pretty hard. And then I'll get a cloth and I'll really press down on that tape. Now this tape does not stretch like duct tape. And I'm going to open up the journal and I'm going to trim the extra length off that I don't need. I also have found that I normally don't have to add additional glue to this tape. It's not like washi. It is sticky, which is why I'm using that silicone mat to work with it. Again, I'm just trimming off that extra length. I know you can't see what I'm doing right this second. And I'm being very careful not to cut into my cover. I think this creates a very nice finish along that spine. And then I'll just tie these back together and these journals are complete. I will continue on with the rest of them that I need to get finished. And thanks for watching, y'all. Oh, another tip. When you're working with that jute string, it will stick to your silicone mat. So if you take this little clothing lint cleaner, these are really cheap, and just roll it along your mat or your desk or your table where you're working with that jute string, it'll lift it right off. Okay, so 2 done. 6 more to go. And then I'll start on a new batch.